set, ready for racing. Race number 6. Racing just is started. We have New Golden City. Break week later start. Moving up now on the outside is Windy Ferency. Then next on that is Dance Away. Last Sim comes next. Wheel of Fame. Rushing for the outside. Royal Key, while Flying Hope is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Windy Ferency. Moving up on the outside is Dance Away to take the lead. A length and a half further back in third comes Last Sim. New Golden City is done in fourth. Alongside fifth comes Flying Hope. Then next on line is Wheel of Fame, while Royal Key now racing in less. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Dance Away by our neck. And on the outside second is Last Sim. Windy Ferency still in third. New Golden City. Flying Hope comes next. Wheel of Fame, while Royal Key is still racing in less. Another fourth turn we have Dance Away by a length and a half. Then here comes Windy Ferency moving up down on the inside to take the lead. We have Windy Ferency now takes command by about 3 lengths. Last Sim in second. New Golden Series by the last day swing for room. Windy Ferency now by about 4 lengths. Last Sim Flying Hope is on the outside. Last 100 meters we have Windy Ferency followed by Last Sim Flying Hope and finally Windy Ferency. Flying Hope, Last Sim, Wheel of Fame, and New Golden City.
Third choice, they had the once again. Malayang tercera lemado. It's Windy Ferency, ang ating winner dyan with AP Peña Flor.